Libra, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for January 2015. On January 3rd, your ruler Venus is going to be entering your fellow sign Aquarius, and you want to do things that you enjoy the most. You can focus on your hobbies, the things, the people, the places that you love, and you are going to be making more time for play and less for work this month. You would want to, that is. You can enjoy life more and find fun in everything that you do, Librans, this month. Sun joins Venus in Aquarius on January 20th, and you feel most like yourself when you're engaging in your hobbies, having a good time, being sociable, and generally engaging with others. This is also a time wherein Mercury is not going to be playing nice with you. And Mercury enters Aquarius around 4th of January, but it starts twisting back around the 21st. And Mercury retrograde is there till about February 11th. Now we all know the Mercury drill. Not a great time to be buying a big ticket item, watching your communication, and also being extremely careful as far as your travel is concerned. And around this time, you could also have a tough time focusing on small details. So work that requires a lot of detail or a lot of focus from you could find it a huge struggle to be able to complete it. You could also feel yourself maybe a tad lazy, or in some cases feel quite overwhelmed about the entire work that is there. Maybe there is a lot of pending work that some of you have, and you've been thinking of just generally being procrastinating, and this is a time where it will all sort of just come to head and you will just feel very overwhelmed with it. On January 12th, Mars enters the water sign Pisces, and you're driven to get lots of work done around this time. You can take on a lot of small projects, small steps, small tasks around this time, and pull out a long to-do list and ensure that you at least get the small stuff out of the way, Libra. Try not to take too much on yourself. You may burn yourself out or stress yourself out if you don't watch it. And also, you don't really have to take on so much on yourself. It's a good time to be focusing on your health, visiting, whether it is revisiting an old health regime, exercise habits, your eating habits. And also Venus is going to be joining Mars on January 27th, and you're going to enjoy working, being productive, and generally getting things done. On January 4th, a full moon occurs in the water sign of Cancer, and this can be a high point of the year. If you have been making good decisions and if you have been working towards a goal, this is a good time where you will see, this is around mid of January, things come to a fruition. If you haven't, you can experience setbacks and question the direction that you're on. This is the time around the 20th of January. It's just when the new moon occurs in Aquarius, and it's just a day before when Mercury goes retrograde in Aquarius as well. So it's a good time with this new moon happening in Aquarius on the 20th for you to be revisiting old projects, maybe old employers, even an old love, an old relationship which could have just been whether it got soured or it just got left. But this is a time where you could be sort of revisiting older relationships, older employers, bosses, mentors. And also, if there is a creative project which you had left somewhere in between, it will be a good time to be picking up that old creative project and feel inspired and complete it. This time, Librans, is much as you would try, you will find it a huge struggle to kick off a new project completely. But for those of you who have been working on older projects, on pending issues that are there, it's a brilliant time for you to be finally closing the loop on that. So a great start, a fresh new determination for the entire year. I would say it's starting off on a good note, wherein that you can start finishing off the smaller projects. Try and take baby steps at the time. Try not to do larger, bigger things at one go. Take up smaller stuff, smaller projects, smaller tasks. Keep your to-do list at handy and ensure that you have the pending work out of the way. Have a brilliant January, Librans. I'll see you again in February, and thank you so much for watching.